Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today we are going to make 3 more cute candy crafts. These are great to make with your kids. They're cute to send to school. All kinds of things you can do with these. Let's get started. All 3 of these candy crafts, I picked up everything that you're going to need from the Dollar Tree. I bought one of these candy like bouquet for the Tootsie Pops, and I bought some pipe cleaner. Now the Dollar Tree did have some all black packages of pipe cleaner. I didn't need that many, so I just bought the multi-pack, and I didn't see it. Now I did miscount, so I have a little too many. But again, I'm just going to take these, and I am just basically taking them and twisting them over the stem just to make my 8 little legs. Once you have your little legs, I'm just bending them down so that my little spider will stand up. Look, he's so cute. So now I bought some googly eyes at the Dollar Tree, so I am just grabbing a couple, and I don't know what I was doing, but like twice I grabbed like the wrong size. Like I had 2 different size of eyes, so I have to like find the right bag or find the right match. But here we go. And so I am just using a little bit of hot glue, and I am just hot gluing those onto my little spider. And there he is! The second, we are going to make this cute little ghost. Now these have been around for years and years and years. We had a good family friend that always made these for all the trick-or-treaters. Her name was Darlene. I just loved her so much. Now you just want to take a Kleenex and wrap it around the Tootsie Pop, and usually I would tie it with a string, but hey, I had leftover pipe cleaner, so that's what I used. And then I am just going to draw a cute little face on my little ghost here. Again, guys, this is so fast, would be so great for a class. The third and final one is this superhero. Now you're just going to take some anything really. You could use cardstock. This was actually a leftover envelope from a card that I'd used from a project, so I am just using that. And yeah, I think that you can find templates online or whatever, but I just measured and just kind of cut out, made it my own here. And so I'm just kind of cutting out a basic cape shape. I decided to make little triangles on the end. Of course you wouldn't have to, you could do like a little half moon, something, you know. And then I'm using a hole punch and punching a hole. You just slide it up on the sucker there. Now I decided to make a little mask, and again you could probably find a template, but I'm just drawing it with a Sharpie here, and then I'm going to use my hole punch to kind of cut out the eyes and cut it out. And then you could hot glue or tape this on, either one. I had my hot glue gun handy, so that's what I used, but I think we made this before and we just taped them on. There he is. I just love these little candy projects. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.